Hola, bendiciones. Mi nombre es Rose Butanda y te doy la bienvenida a Guía para la Ciudadanía. Este video incluye preguntas reales basadas en diferentes formas de obtener la residencia, tales como visa U, asilo, ajuste cubano, matrimonio y más. Prepárate con preguntas detalladas según tu caso. En cada categoría podrías encontrar preguntas relacionadas a tu caso. Así de que si estás listo, comenzamos ya.
How did you become a permanent resident?
I became a permanent resident through my spouse.
Did you apply for a green card through a family member?
My family member petitioned for me.
Did you receive a green card through marriage?
I received my green card based on marriage to a U.S. citizen.
Was your green card based on asylum, refugee, or humanitarian protection?
I was granted asylum.
Was your residency granted through the Cuban Adjustment Act?
I applied under the Cuban Adjustment Act.
Did you obtain your green card through a U visa?
I got my green card after having a U visa.
Did your employer sponsor you for residency?
My employer sponsored me.
Did you adjust status after entering the U.S. with a visa?
I adjusted my status after entering the U.S. legally.
Did you win the diversity visa lottery?
I won the diversity visa lottery.
Did you obtain residency through registry?
I qualified through the registry program.
Did you apply for a U visa?
Yes, I applied for a U visa after being a victim of a crime.
What type of crime were you a victim of?
I was a victim of domestic violence.
Did you help the police with the investigation?
I cooperated with the police during the investigation.
When and where did the crime happen? Did you go to court to testify?
The crime happened in my neighborhood in 2016. I testified in court.
Who hurt you?
My ex-partner.
Do you remember the case number or report?
I don't remember the case number, but I filed a report.
When did you receive your U visa?
I received the U visa in 2019.
How long did you wait to apply for the green card?
I waited 3 years before applying for the green card.
Did you submit a certification from law enforcement?
Yes, I submitted the police certification.
How did you enter the country?
I entered the U.S. through the southern border.
Did you apply for residency through the Cuban Adjustment Act?
Yes, I applied through the Cuban Adjustment Act.
When did you arrive in the United States from Cuba?
I arrived in the U.S. in 2018 from Cuba.
What documents did you submit with your application?
I submitted my Cuban passport and entry documents.
Did you present proof of Cuban nationality?
Yes, I proved my Cuban nationality.
When did you apply for your green card?
I applied for the green card 1 year after arriving.
Did you enter with a visa or without inspection?
I entered without a visa.
Did you have any family in the U.S. when you arrived?
Yes, I had family in Miami when I arrived.
Did you apply for the I-485 1 year after arrival?
I filed the I-485 after 1 year of presence in the U.S.
Have you traveled to Cuba since becoming a resident?
No, I haven't returned to Cuba since I got my green card.
Did you apply for asylum?
Yes, I applied for asylum after entering the U.S.
Why did you leave your country?
I left my country because I was threatened.
When and where did you enter the U.S.?
I entered through the southern border in 2017.
Did you cross the border by yourself or with someone?
I crossed with my daughter.
Did someone come to pick you up after you were released?
Yes, my sister came to pick me up after I was released.
Where did you go to live after being released?
I went to live with family in Los Angeles.
How long did the asylum process take?
The asylum process took about 2 years.
Which border did you cross?
I crossed the border in Texas.
Did you have an interview with an asylum officer?
Yes, I had an interview with an asylum officer.
Were you detained before getting asylum?
Yes, I was detained for a few days before release.
Are you married to a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I am married to a U.S. citizen.
When and where did you get married?
We got married in 2019 in Las Vegas.
How did you meet your spouse?
We met through mutual friends at work.
Is this your first marriage?
Yes, this is my first and only marriage.
Do you and your spouse live together?
Yes, we live together in the same house.
Do you have children with your spouse?
Yes, we have 2 children together.
What is your spouse's full name and date of birth?
My spouse's name is John Smith, born on March 3, 1985.
What does your spouse do for work?
My spouse works as a nurse.
Have you traveled together as a couple?
Yes, we've traveled to Florida and Mexico together.
Did you submit joint documents in your application?
Yes, we submitted joint taxes and bills.
Have you been a permanent resident for more than 5 years?
Yes, I've had my green card for more than 5 years.
Have you lived continuously in the U.S. during that time?
Yes, I have lived continuously in the U.S. during this time.
Have you taken trips outside the U.S. in the last 5 years?
I took one trip to Mexico for 2 weeks in 2022.
Have you filed all your taxes during the last 5 years?
Yes, I've filed my taxes every year.
Have you ever abandoned your residency?
No, I've never abandoned my residency.
Do you still reside at the same address listed in your application?
Yes, I still live at the address in my application.
Have you renewed your green card before applying for citizenship?
Yes, I renewed my green card once before applying.
Have you had any problems with the law in these 5 years?
No, I've never had any legal problems.
Do you still work for the same employer since becoming a resident?
Yes, I've worked for the same company since I got my green card.
Are you applying under the general rule or another category?
I am applying under the general eligibility rule.
Si llegaste hasta el final, felicidades. Recuerda que cada oración, cada palabra se queda contigo y además te acerca a tu meta. Nos vemos hasta el próximo video. No olvides dejar tu like, tu comentario. Bendiciones infinitas siempre.